The US Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 17% growth rate for software developers between 2023 and 2033. However, not all these jobs in this field require the same skill sets. By learning and mastering in-demand programming languages and strengthening the programming languages you already know can strengthen your programming skills and make you stand out from other job candidates. If you're new to this field of software development, the toughest part of learning programming is knowing where to begin. There are hundreds of programming languages out there in widespread use, each with its own complexities. The good news is that as you begin your journey as a software developer, you'll discover the best coding language and learn based on your interests and career goals. Therefore, choosing a programming language to begin with can be quite challenging. That's why this video has come in place to help you and guide you on which programming language you start with. But one question: what is a programming language? A programming language is a set of instructions written with specific syntax that tell a computer on which task to perform and how to perform it. By mastering a programming language, you can create software applications, websites, and develop other digital tools to help shape our world. By the way, quick thing, if you're new here, my name is Aroseth, and on this channel we dive deep into the worlds of tech, physics, and personal development, all tailored together to spark curiosity, innovation, and empower your journey into a more meaningful, purposeful, and productive life. So if that resonates with you, please consider subscribing and let's get into it. Language number 1, JavaScript. According to statistics, JavaScript is the most popular language to learn. JavaScript is a scripting language that is used to make websites and mobile applications more interactive. It is also commonly used for game development. JavaScript is also known for its ability to make websites more alive by adding elements such as animations, drop-down menus, color-changing buttons, etc. With increasing demand of dynamic web applications, it's nearly impossible to become a professional software developer without learning JavaScript. According to Stack Overflow's 2024 Developers Survey, JavaScript is the most popular programming language learned by many developers for the 11th year in a row, with 62% of the survey respondents saying that they had used JavaScript in the past year. Use cases of JavaScript include creating interactive web elements, building dynamic web applications, developing single-page applications, and adding animations and user interfaces. Examples of high-performance applications that are built with JavaScript include Facebook, Google, YouTube, Twitter, and etc. JavaScript is fast since it runs directly in a web browser, thus reducing the loading time. JavaScript is not only a relatively simple language to learn for programmers, but its popularity and simple syntax makes it easy to implement and recognize. It also has a variety of frameworks and extensive libraries to make programmers specialize their skills. Therefore, JavaScript comes in as number 1. Language number 2, Python. Python is perhaps the most user-friendly programming language on this list. It is more often said that its syntax is more clear and intuitive. Thus, some programmers go ahead to call it a baby language, especially to English speakers, as its rules are clearly formatted as English grammar rules. Therefore, this makes it a popular choice for beginners who are seeking to begin their journey in programming. Python is a dynamic object-oriented programming language that combines data structures with easy-to-learn syntax. Python's applications vary from a simple function to a more complex function like a financial data analysis and machine learning application. If you want to get into software development, but you're still deciding on which programming language to start with, Python can be the best kickstart for you. Use cases of Python include the back-end web development, data analysis and machine learning, script automation, scientific computing, and game development with frameworks. Just like we said, Python's key features such as readability make it a better choice for you to start with. Its code is very intuitive and clear to read, thus making it a better choice to start with. Its versatility and extensive libraries, which include pre-written code that help you to specialize your skills, thus streamlining your development with Python. Language number 3, Java. Now, believe it or not, Java is a time-tested programming language that has been around for decades. In fact, Java was the first programming language I learned. It is known for its portability, scalability, and high performance. Java's stability and robustness makes it ideal for large applications, from banking software to e-commerce. Its strong memory management and multi-threading capabilities make it a better option for high performance and readability, particularly for complex and data-heavy software applications. Additionally, Java's extensive libraries and frameworks such as Spring, JSP, Servlets, and Hibernate make it a more better option, thus streamlining the development process and making it a stable option for back-end development. Java remains a dominant force in the programming world, especially in the enterprise development. Its write once and run everywhere philosophy makes it a reliable choice for building large-scale applications like servers. For those aiming to build robust, large-scalable applications to power businesses across the world, Java is the best you can have in your programming toolkit. Use cases of Java include enterprise development, for example, web, desktop applications, and mobile applications with frameworks, big data processing, Android application development, and embedded systems development. In fact, its platform independence, object-oriented functionalities, and vast libraries make it a better option for strong enterprise development and back-end development work. Language number 4. C++. C++ is a powerful high-performance programming language that has been the cornerstone of software development for decades. It is an extension of the C programming language with added features like object-oriented programming, thus making it versatile and widely used in various domains. C++'s key features include high performance. It is known for its speed and efficiency, thus making it a better option for performance-critical applications. Its object-oriented programming concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism make it a better option for building large applications with complex systems, enabling modular and reusable code. It also has standard template libraries that provide rich set of template classes for common data structures like vectors, maps, and lists, and also algorithms that help in searching and sorting data. Lastly, C++ has backward compatibility with C. That means that C++ is largely compatible with C, allowing developers reuse existing code bases that were initially developed in C. C++ remains a critical programming language for performance-intensive applications, game development, and system programming. While newer languages like Rust and Go are gaining popularity, C++'s performance, versatility, and legacy codebase ensure its continued relevance. The last but not the least, language number 5, SQL, also known as Structured Query Language. Why? The first companies are implementing or planning to implement AI projects, but they haven't taken time to clean their underlying data. This will lead to a rise in demand for skilled data professionals who will in turn be using SQL as their bread and butter in handling this data. SQL remains one of the most valuable tech skills in 2025. Despite all the advancements in AI, NoSQL databases, and cloud computing, SQL continues to be the backbone of data analysis, management, and back-end development. Now, relational databases like MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle are widely used in different industries. They are the backbone of many critical systems like finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and many more. Even with the rise of NoSQL databases, relational databases and SQL remain essential for complex queries and structured data storage. Businesses increasingly rely on data for decision making, and therefore SQL is the most fundamental tool for querying and analyzing the data in the databases. In fact, skills in SQL are crucial for roles like data analysts, data scientists, and business intelligence professionals. Therefore, SQL is not just a tech trend to learn in 2025, but it's a foundational skill that will stay relevant even in the years to come. Therefore, if you're looking to start your future in the software development field, I hope this video has provided a basic overview of which programming languages to start with and where they can be applied depending on which field you want to later on specialize in. By the way, if you've liked this video, you may also like the recent video I've uploaded about tech failures. What are the most 6 epic tech failures that have been faced by companies so far in the world? If you're looking forward to find your future in software development, you should be conscious of the things that can actually lead to a tech failure. Poor software quality and failure to follow the best coding practices can actually lead to business failure or tech failures. Therefore, I want to thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. See you next time. Peace.